In today's video, I will walk you through how to make mirror effect using flip setting in Clipchamp. Open your project in Clipchamp and click the video clip on the timeline. To mirror the entire video, go to the preview window and click the three dots on the floating toolbar. Hover over flip, then select flip horizontal. The video will now appear mirrored from left to right like a reflection. If you want to create a split screen mirror effect, place your video on the timeline first. Then duplicate the clip and place the copy on a track above or next to the original. Select one of the clips and apply flip horizontal from the flip options in the preview toolbar. This will mirror only that version of the video. Next, adjust both clips by cropping or resizing them so each one takes up half of the screen. Align them side by side so they meet at the center of the frame. Make sure both halves are positioned evenly so the mirrored effect looks balanced across the screen. Keep adjusting the size and alignment until both sides match properly. If you want a vertical mirror effect instead, use flip vertical. This will turn the video upside down to create a reflection style look. You can switch between flip horizontal and flip vertical depending on the style you want for your video. Apply the setting directly to the selected clip each time. Once finished, review your timeline to make sure the mirror effect is applied correctly and the clips are aligned as intended. Thank you for watching the video.